Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to book a GP appointment online in the UK. Booking a GP appointment online in the UK is simple, secure, and convenient. Using the NHS e-Referral service, you can easily manage your appointments without needing to call your GP. This service is especially helpful if you've been referred to a specialist through the NHS. To start, you will need some basic information, your booking reference number, a password or access code, and your year of birth. If you do not have these details, you can contact the person or organization that referred you to get them. You can use the online service to book a new appointment, check existing appointment details, change the date or time of an appointment, cancel an appointment, or even cancel the referral entirely. The website is designed to be accessible for all users, and the Manage Your Referral accessibility statement explains the improvements being made to enhance your experience. You can also use the NHS app to manage appointments. The app offers additional features, including health advice, repeat prescription orders, and access to your GP health records. To book your appointment online, go to the NHS website and click on the Start Now button. Enter your 12-digit booking reference number and your access code, which consists of 2 words. Then input the year you were born and click on Login. Alternatively, you can log in using your NHS login by selecting the Sign In option and entering your email and password. Once logged in, follow the prompts to select your appointment date, time, and any other required details. After confirming, your appointment will be successfully booked. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.